This is project 3A for PowerPoint. We're using the Go Book Office 2010, and I'm on page 783. Activity 3.01 is change the theme and theme fonts, theme colors and theme fonts. And we need to open up File. So let's go to our File tab here and go to Open. And the file we want is Walking Trails. And as usual, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to save as and delete the first two characters here and put your last name, first name, and then save it. And we're going to go to the Design tab, and in the Themes group, which is most of the Design tab, click on the Colors button to display the list of theme colors. And you get a live preview as you do these here, and they are in alphabetical order. We want to find Metro and click on it. And now I'm on number 3. Click the Home tab, and in the font group, click the font button arrow, and got to select the title first. Okay, click in the title. Now go to the font, and these are the theme fonts. And now we're on page 784. Click anywhere on the slide to close the list. Click the Design tab, and then in the Themes group, okay, Design tab, Themes group, click the Fonts button. And again, we've got a bunch of choices. This also does a live preview for us, so as you pause over each one, you get a preview. And we want Urban. It's going to be down here near the bottom. And if we select that, it should look the same as the slide at the top of page 784. And now we're in activity 3.02. And we want to stay on slide 1 on the Design tab. In the Background group over here, we've got Background Styles. And we'll get a live preview on each one of these as well. In the first row, we want to right click on slide 2 and do apply to selected slides, which is just the first one. And now our screen matches what's on the top of page 785. And save our presentation again. Now we're in activity 3.03 on page 785. Go to slide 6. So let's scroll over here on the left side. And note on this slide, you can clearly see the triangles and lines on the slide background. And now let's go to slide 5 and go to the Design tab. And in the Background group over here, click Hide Background Graphics. And it gets rid of those slanted lines. And our slide should look like the one on the top of page 786. And now we're in activity 3.04, formatting a slide background with a picture. I don't think this is something you're actually going to do very often, but we'll do it. Display slide 3. Click on the Home tab. And in the Slides group, we want a title-only slide right here. And this is now our new slide 4, and click the Design tab. And in the Background group, select Hide the Background Graphics. And then click the Background Styles button. And click Format background. And we're going to select fill on the left side here. It's already selected for us. Click the picture or texture fill, which is this item. And now we're going to insert from a file. And we're going to go out and let me say we want to go to chapter 3. And the one we want is 3A Pets, and click on Insert, and then click on Close, and that's our background picture. And I'm not sure there's a big advantage to making that a background, is just to putting the picture on the slide and then stretching it so that it goes to all the corners. Click in the title placeholder here and type in find a and it says notice the background does not provide enough contrast with the text. Actually doesn't look too bad to me. With your insertion point still in the title placeholder, click the Format tab. Format tab, and in the Shape Styles group, click the Shape Fill, and in the 5th column click the last one, so that would be this one right here, and select the title, the text of the title, so drag your mouse across it here, come on. And we want, go to the Format tab again, go to the Word Art Styles group, and in the first row, select the 3rd one, which is Fill White Drop Shadow, and let's click on that. And then let's go to our Home tab and center the text. And now what we want to do is on number 7 at the bottom of page 787 is we want to get our 4-headed arrow here, drag this up to the edge, and then we also want to go and drag this across so it goes all the way from edge to edge. And if you look at the top of page 788 now, that's what your slide should look like. And now we want to go to slide 5, and we're going to insert a new slide below it, and the type is going to be title only again. And we're going to go to the design the design tab, and in the background group again here, hide background graphics, and click the background styles button. And we want format background, and select fill again on the left, and on the right side we want picture or texture again, and we're going to insert from the file. We're going to get 3A trails, so let's go to file and 3A trails and insert, and click on close, and then up here we're going to type get outside, get fit, get walking. And we want to center that. And we also want to set the font size to 36. So let's drag the mouse over this and select 36 here. Okay, now it fits. And then we're going to do the same thing that we did on the other slide, which was shape fill was this, and the text, whoops, gotta select the whole thing for that to work. And that's our text style, and then we're going to grab it and go up to there, and then we're going to slide over to there. And now our slide should look like the slide at the bottom of page 788. And now we're on number 11 on page 789, and it says go to slide number 8 and format the background with a picture from our student files 3A Park. So let's go to our design tab here. And let's go to our background styles up here, and we're going to format the background, and we're going to insert a picture again. And this one is going to be the picture 3A Park. And here it is, and we will insert it, and we'll click on close, and then in the title placeholder here, we want to go to our format tab, go to shape styles, and click on the more button, and we want the 6th one in the second row. So second row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And select the text again. And we're going to do the same thing with the text that we did before. It's going to be this word art style, and then we're going to save the presentation. Our slide should now look like the one on page 789, except mine does not look like that because I didn't take the graphics off. So let's go to our design tab here, and let's do hide background graphics, and now it looks like the one on page 789. So now we can save it, and we're about 11 or 12 minutes in, so we will stop the video here and continue with another video.